In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to access Zoho WorkDrive. This cloud platform helps you store, organize, and collaborate on files from anywhere. So knowing how to log in is the first step. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's ready, go to the address bar at the top and type worker.zoho.com. Make sure the spelling is correct so you reach the right page. After typing it in, press enter and you'll arrive at the Zoho WorkDrive homepage. On this page, you'll see the sign in button, usually located on the top right. Click it and you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address or mobile number, followed by your password. Take a moment to make sure everything is typed accurately, because even one incorrect character can prevent access. Once your login details are correct, click the Next button. If the credentials match your account, you'll be signed in immediately. You'll now see your WorkDrive dashboard, where all your team folders, personal files, and shared documents are located. From here, you can upload files, create folders, or start collaborating with your team. If you run into any sign-in issues, double-check your email, mobile number, or password for typing errors. You can also use the Forgot Password option if you need to reset your login details. And that's it. You're now inside Zoho WorkDrive and ready to work more efficiently. Enjoy exploring the tools and features that help keep your workflow organized.